What's up, it's your boy Groovy Fleet here, back with another video, and today I'm installing the emblem overlays and the tailgate letters for the F-150. So let's check it out. All right, so here are the F-150 overlay letters for the tailgate. These are the metallic gray. I do have the Sport F-150 and it is the same color as the grille in the front. I also have the emblems to go with it as well. So these are the Ford blue oval emblems. I got these to match the gray too. I kind of like that factory gray theme per se, but yeah, I just have these to kind of color match the whole truck, keep it uniform. As you can see, my truck is a little bit dusty, but it's okay because by the time y'all see the finished shots, it's gonna be all cleaned up. I just wiped everything down. I'm gonna end up wiping these, the F-150 letters, with alcohol, and I have my heat gun so you can apply heat to it. It said everything's in the instructions, so yeah, I think it's gonna look really good. Let's get to it. All right, so we got the tailgate letters on there. Pretty easy for the most part. It's just you gotta make sure they're lined up, like, so you don't put it in the cricket. But you know, it looks good though. I liked it. I liked it a lot. Wow, I do like it. But now let's go ahead and put this. Let's go ahead and match it up. We gotta match it up now. Gotta match it up. Let's go ahead and put that on there. I think I'm gonna have to buy another set because this looks horrible. So I think this definitely requires a lot of patience because there are like a ton of different air bubbles in here. I think I'm gonna have to order me another set and try it again. Okay, so from a distance, it looks great from a distance, but once you get close up on it, it's a wrap, literally. Oh, these air bubbles gonna get on my nerves. But I guess it can do for now until my other set gets in, because I'm definitely gonna try to redo this and get them air bubbles out. I'm gonna try to watch some more techniques. But it looks good though. It looks good. Everything color matched. Now let's do the front. And that shows you I am by no means a professional at this. I was going so good, but you know, up here it's all smooth. I was doing so good until it got down to this last portion. It had bubbled up. I was trying to stretch it back out, but it had already attached itself good to the logo. And now I got these lines in here. Oh my, I'm definitely gonna have to redo it though. No cap, it ain't but $10. Like I said, link will be down in the description. But can't have it. I definitely got to redo it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here before it starts raining, pouring down on me. I'm gonna have to redo them emblems, but they look good from a distance though. But I'm just gonna have to redo them. But you know what it is though. Like, comment, subscribe, because you know it's more content coming. We out.